How to recover a deleted contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, from the home screen open Settings. Once you are in, tap on your Apple account at the top. On this page you need to find the option iCloud. Then, tap on it. After that, you need to go to this tab. Tap on See All. Once you're in, scroll all the way down to the Contacts option. Now, toggle off the option Contacts. A menu will appear on your screen. It asks what you want to do with your previously synced iCloud contacts on your iPhone. You need to select the Keep on My iPhone option from the menu. After that, all your previously synced contacts will be saved in your iPhone and you can retrieve it afterwards. Now, toggle on the Contacts option again and hit Merge. This will keep all the existing contacts on my phone and retrieve deleted contacts from the iCloud. So by following these simple steps you can easily recover a deleted contact on iPhone.